Welcome to Smart English Start, the best way to learn English. Hey everyone, welcome to Smart English Start. I'm George and I'm so excited you're here. Today I want to talk about the best way to learn English. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever studied English for years, but still feel nervous when speaking? Do you find yourself translating in your head before saying anything? If yes, don't worry, you are not alone. Why most people struggle with English? The problem isn't you. The problem is the way English is usually taught. Many schools focus too much on grammar and vocabulary lists. They don't teach you how to actually use English. That's why so many learners feel stuck. They know the rules, but when it's time to speak, they freeze. The Smart English Start approach. That's why I created this channel. I want to show you a better way to learn English. A way that is efficient, fun, and practical. We focus on real-life communication, not just textbook rules. We make English part of your daily routine, so you improve naturally. We use smart learning techniques, AI, shadowing, and more. Secret tricks that make learning English easier. Most people don't know this, but there are hidden strategies that make learning English faster. These are techniques that fluent speakers use, but they're rarely taught in schools. Secret number 1, shadowing. One of the most powerful techniques is called shadowing. If you've never heard of it, don't worry. I'll explain it in detail in another video. But in short, shadowing means listening to English and repeating it immediately. It's one of the fastest ways to improve pronunciation and fluency. English learning should be fun and efficient. Many people think learning English means long hours of studying grammar. But what if I told you that you can improve your English while doing things you enjoy? Love music? Read about your favorite artist in English. Love traveling? Watch travel vlogs in English. Too busy? Use AI tools like ChatGPT to practice in just 5 minutes a day. Who is this channel for? This channel is for adults who want to learn English efficiently and enjoy the process. If you feel like traditional methods aren't working, don't have hours to sit down and study, want to speak naturally and confidently, then you're in the right place. What you'll find on this channel. In future videos, I'll be covering topics like how to think in English, the best AI tools for learning, real travel English conversations, business English for professionals, and much more. This channel is all about you. If there's a specific topic you want me to cover, drop a comment below. I'll be checking them and making videos based on your requests. This video is for you. I know learning English isn't always easy. I know how frustrating it can be, but trust me, you're not alone in this. I've seen so many people struggle with English, and I've also seen how much they improved when they found the right method. I hope this channel can be that help for you. All right, that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Let's make English a part of your life and have fun learning. See you in the next video.